Go.
Find the Easter eggs.
Look. Well, let's find the Easter here. I found another one.
Brady.
Brady, find Easter eggs.
Brady.
I found one.
Good job.
Another one on the school bench. Up there.
Brady.
Down here. Oh, I found the one. Right here.
I'm too fast for
Up here. Where is one?
Brady.
This. I found another one. There's one I can find.
Show me. Show me. Show me
One
the
is
Easter egg.
green. Mommy, look how much I've got right now. Look how much I'm getting.
Oh my goodness. Show me again. Show me again. Show me again.
The piano.
You don't have to smile. I just
Oh.
was looking.
I've got to get one. Look, I found one in Brady's shoe. Mommy, I thought I was going to get $1,000. I'm making more eggs.
Okay, find them.
Where is eggs? Mom, I think the Easter Bunny only do that. Mom, the Easter Bunny only gave us money.
Ryan, you should look up higher. Brady, what about in the cave?
Two of them. I found one. Good job. Call me Karen, Mom.
Yeah, get your carrot.
This is
You
mine.
know what? I think there might be one behind the curtains.
Look in the cave.
Go look more in the
Go look in the cave, Brady.
behind the curtains. Not one. Yep, I found one. Mommy, the Easter Bunny isn't giving us any candy, just the money.
Oh, that's awesome.
No,
Oh.
I wanted candy, not.
Didn't you
Just
give
money.
your candy in your basket?
No, see? All of them are just filled with money.
But you gave you candy in your
Ah!
basket. Brady, do you see any more? Is that it?
Where is one?
Good job, boys.
Oh, I know. There's one more.
Okay. Don't. I'm here.
Nice job.